Using the Layers panel. The Layers panel is used to list, organize, and edit the objects in an Illustrator document. By default, every new document contains one layer. You can create new layers and rearrange items to best suit your needs. By creating multiple layers in your artwork, you can control how overlapping objects are displayed. The artwork at the top of the layer panel is at the front of the stocking order, while our artwork at the bottom is at the back of the stocking order. To practice working with layers, first, to display the Layers panel, click the window menu and select Layers, or click the Layers panel icon on the right side of the workspace. To hide or unhide a layer, click in the visibility column to the left of the layer's name. An eye icon indicates that the layer is visible. A blank space indicates that the layer is hidden. To lock or unlock a layer, click in the Edit column to the left of the layer's name. A lock icon indicates that the layer is locked and cannot be edited. A blank space indicates that the layer is unlocked and can be edited. To create new layer, click the Create New Layer button located at the bottom of the Layers panel. To delete the layer, select the layer in the Layers panel and then click the Delete Selection button located at the bottom of the panel. To move a layer, drag the layer in the Layers panel to the desired location and then release the mouse button. To rename a layer, double-click the layer's name in the Layers panel to open the layer options. Type a new name in the name box and then click OK button. To display sub-layers, click the triangle to the left of the layer's name. To hide sub-layers, click the triangle again. Note, if no triangle appears to the left of the layer's name, the layer does not have second sub-layers.